Welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I will be showing you how you can actually scan for the digital channels on your master combo decoder. So the master combo decoder comes in two different ways that you can actually get the signal. We have the satellite option, which you're going to use the satellite dish to get the signal if you have installed multi-TV, and we have the antenna option, which you're going to use your antenna pole to get a signal from the terrestrial platform. So you have your antenna being mounted, or you are about to mount an antenna. I'm going to show you a guide, a simple step-by-step process that you can actually use to get a signal. Even if you are not a professional in it, you can do it on your own. So all you got to do is to connect to your antenna, fix the antenna pole, mount it anywhere that you want, provided there is a signal over there. Then connect the antenna cable at the back of your master combo decoder ANT port. We have the ANT port at the back of the decoder. Connect it over there. The LMB input is for the satellite dish, so never connect the antenna cable in that port. Connect. So after connecting it, all you got to do is to pick up your remote, and then you press on the menu button on your remote. It's going to take you to the menu, and on the menu here, look for installation. So use the arrow down, top and down key, and then look for installation. So after finding installation, you press OK on it, and from the installation page, we have on the right side of the page, we have the DVB S2, DVB T2, and then DVB C. So the S2 is for the satellite, the T2 is for the terrestrial second generation, and then the C2, you can use it to track for the terrestrial as well, which is the antenna. So these two options, you can use it to do the settings for your antenna or the digital channels. So all you got to do is to select the T2, and then you come here to this menu, and here on the menu, since you don't have any frequency that you are trying to track for, you are trying to get the free channels with the antenna. That's the digital channel from your antenna. So all you have to do is to perform auto search. So with the auto search, the simplest form that you can run the auto search on it is to change the country over here. This Togo folder on it doesn't have much of the channels available there. So if you perform auto search with it, you won't get much of the channels that is available in your area. So you need to change the country from Togo to either England, France, and Italy. In this menu or the other folder have much of the signal or the frequencies in it, which whenever you run the auto search on it, you're gonna get enough of the channels that is available, provided you're having a signal from the antenna. All right, so all you got to do is to change here. You change the mode from manual to auto. So you select either France or England, and here you can change the bandwidth to 8. But since you are running an auto search on it, you can just leave it as it is, and you don't want to run through those frequencies that have already installed on it. But if you know clearly which frequency that you want to scan, you can edit it over here, and you do the manual setup, and the signal quality is supposed to show green before you proceed with the manual setup. So with the auto search, you turn it to auto search like this, and then you proceed with the start search. Press OK to proceed with it. And all you have to do is to wait for the scanning to complete to get to know which channels that is available on your decoder, on your signal that you are having. So after performing this and you're unable to catch any signal or any channel, any digital channel at all, the problem here is that you are not having a stable antenna signal. Position your antenna really well to actually catch a signal for the channels to start appearing on your decoder. So only one trick that you need to do here, if you don't get a signal, turn the antenna to face another direction, then you perform this auto search. If you doesn't get it, you turn it to face another direction, you perform the auto search. You do this 360 wise, so you get a channel from a particular position, then you place your antenna over there. If you don't get it, you raise it up to another level, you do the same 360 wise, you place it somewhere, you run auto search on it. Then probably if there is a signal over there and you have connected the cable really well, you're gonna get those free digital channels on your decoder in addition to the multi-TV, or if you want to get only the digital channels too, you're going to get access to it. So that's it. And if you are finding it difficult to get a signal from the antenna, check the F connector that you have connected it at the back of your antenna import of your master combo decoder. You fix the F connector really well, and then you start turning the antenna around to actually get a stable signal with the channels that will come along with it. So the quality of the signal will determine the number of channels that you're going to get. As you can see here, I don't have enough of the signal quality. That's why we have only 29 channels over here. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, all you got to do is subscribe, hit the bell icon, and you keep coming back for more.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town.